Hello everyone. So today in social studies we will start a new chapter from history section, that is chapter 12, Age of Exploration. So before going further, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of Age of Exploration. So here the word exploration, it comes from the word explore, which means to travel around a place in order to learn more about it and to discover it. So see students, on page number 1 there is an introduction of this page, so just let me read it out. Coming to let's get started. Hey Jack, why are you sitting alone here? Mom, I am upset. We are moving to a new place. I will miss my friends. Yes, but aren't you excited about going to this new place? There might be many new things for you to do. In life, you have to be ready to explore and be curious about new things. This one, this was one of the reasons with many European powers came to India a long time ago. You can make new friends and you can write letters to your friends here. You can tell them about your new school and friends and much more. Really, Mom, that's interesting, but I will be so alone there. Oh, Mom, that sounds so exciting. Now, starting the chapter. Starting the chapter, we will know about the 4 explorers of the world. First one is Bartholomew Dias, second Ferdinand Magellan, third Christopher Columbus, and fourth Vasco da Gama. Dear students, you might have heard these names before, but in this chapter we will try to know them better. So starting the reading, Europe went through many changes in the 15th and the 16th centuries. People were curious about new places and wanted to visit these faraway lands. Some wanted to discover new lands. Some were looking for new, faster routes to the cotton and spice market of the East. These spices were produced in India, Sri Lanka, it was earlier known as Ceylon, and the Moluccas or the Maluku Islands, which were earlier known as the Spice Islands. The age of exploration was the period when the Europeans began exploring the world via sea travels in search of new trading routes, wealth, and knowledge. Let us learn about some of these brave explorers. So, in the age of exploration, we'll know that the age of exploration was a period from the 15th century to 17th century, during which many European ships were traveled around the world to search for new trading routes and partners to feed bargaining. Now here bargaining means developing countries and capitalism in Europe.